Hey gearheads and race fans, we're back in the garage today. Had a little bit of a problem with the brakes. So we actually had to break the calipers apart. They were put together incorrectly and the two halves were not letting fluid flow to the other side. So had run into a lot of issues with the bleeding procedure. Got that handled. In the process, we found out that the clutch fluid was super dirty. So we got that bled out, got fresh new fluid into the clutch, and we should be ready to go to get this thing. We've got all of our stuff laid out here to get these heads back on this vehicle, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get to it. That was a lot of work. Got the heads installed, got everything torqued down. Time to install the valve train and get moving on the intake and exhaust. So here we go. All right, so I'm calling it. That's all I can take. We got the heads on, we got the valve train in, but man, those 3 passes for that torque procedure are brutal. And I'm not a small guy, and that took everything I had. So that took a lot out of me. So we're gonna stop here for now. I think what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go ahead and put the headers in after this, because there's a lot more access right now without the valve covers and all the extra electrical stuff that goes on top of it. So I don't know if I'm gonna film that or not, because having a camera under the car does not sound appealing just right at this moment, but I may change my mind later, who knows. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.